Hi violin players, it's Miss Slominski with a video for you on Gulf Coast Pirates. This is a super fun song to play. As always, I'm going to point out a few things in our music to be mindful of, and then I'm going to play straight through this thing. Gulf Coast Pirates, Kathy Fishburne. All right. This song has a motive, or what we call it, like a short pattern that happens a lot in this song. We see it even in the first measure. It's a weird pattern with a dotted quarter note, 1/8 note, 2 normal quarter notes after. If you don't know this pattern super well, I think the easiest way to think about it is with the words of the title. Gulf Coast Pirates, Gulf Coast Pirates. So you're gonna hear that rhythm pattern over and over, that speed of your bow. That is one of the biggest things that this song might be teaching you, how to move your bow like that and do a rhythm pattern like this. Something to note, every rest in this song really should have a bow lift written on top of it. You'll see me do a bow lift at every single one of those. You'll also hear me make changes to my dynamics, my level of how loud I am, my volume. It starts off mezzo forte, medium loud. I play. Notice there are spots where I do get louder, forte. Softer, mezzo piano. I stay mezzo piano for a lot of this. Forte at 37, stay loud. Measure 49 is the quietest part of our song, piano. Very soon after, fortissimo, the very loudest that you can play and still sound good. One last thing I want you to notice. In the key signature, this says we want to play F sharp all the time. That means if you don't see anything else, C natural. We have some accidentals. That means sharps or naturals in the middle of a song that say a change to our key signature. So here, C sharp. Later on, C sharp. Nothing here, but just a quick reminder that you are playing a C natural at 25 and in the entire section that follows. There is no sharp in the key signature for C. There's no sharp next to this note. Play a C natural with finger 2 right next to finger 1. C sharp comes back later, so be mindful of that. All right, enough talking, let's play. This is Gulf Coast Pirates, Violin 1 part. If you are at my school 2019, everyone is doing Violin 1 for this year. 1, 2, ready, go. That is such a fun song. It's fun to play on its own, and it's even cooler when you play it with all the other parts. when I play this song, I'm reminded that there's a lot of patterns in this song that are repeated. There's also a lot of places where the patterns get changed just enough that it kind of, you have to be really mindful of those changes. So 41 to the end, be very picky to play exactly what is here in measure of do 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 do. Measure 44 is kind of a surprise if you're not ready for it. So make sure that any little change to your pattern is something that you are ready for. That's 44, 47. Those are probably the big ones. So thank you for tuning in. I hope that was helpful, and I'll see you next time.